E3, which stands for our motto of engage, enrich, empower. So we provided additional learning opportunities for kids after school.
E3 is like a chance to learn new, special skills, like for example, gardening.
E3 is an opportunity for students to be able to do extracurricular activities after school.
And it's a community involvement, parent involvement activity as well.
I love the extra enrichment that my kids get from being able to do E3.
I used to be an art teacher, and I was eager to give it a try and get back into the community.
We have art classes and Spanish classes and math clubs and game clubs, cooking clubs, and green teams.
So green team is where we plant stuff, and we'll refurnish the garden beds, and then we'll plant crops in it.
This week we've been exploring the lungs, and we've also been doing the human body.
Maddie's mom just teach us yoga to do some exercise to be healthy.
It's just a great way for students to have that extra opportunity to extend their learning.
It's like an open opportunity for kids to do like other kids. They've done Zumba and spelling bee.
Animal art is when you try to make animals, but you move them alive.
Right now they're making articulated puppets. We cut out a lot of amorphous shapes out of cardboard, and they built their own animals and painted the parts, and we're putting them together.
Even when I was 5, I loved to paint.
She said it's really fun because she gets to hang out with her friends and be creative, and they have like an idea of what they're supposed to do, but she gets to put her own spin on it.
Yes, we reach out to our community and to the community groups and let them know, hey, if you have an interest or a talent and you'd like to share it with kids, we've got kids, come on over.
I love E3, and I also love Green Team. I just think it's amazing.